Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Apple ID password if you forgot it. If you forgot your Apple ID password, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to reset your Apple ID password. Firstly, tap on the settings app on your iPhone and tap on the Apple ID also, and you can see Apple ID is sign in. Little bit scroll up, tap on sign out, little bit again, so tap on sign out and don't erase, tap on continue. You can see many options. Tap on continue anyway, tap on continue and confirm password. Apple ID says enter your Apple account password to turn off activation lock. Lock prevent anyone who is not the owner from using this phone. Simply enter the wrong password if you forgot it one time and enter the second time wrong password. You can see appears on screen. You can see forgot password. Simply tap on reset password. And you can see appears on screen enter iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Verifying. Enter new password. Enter your new iPhone passcode, Apple ID passcode. Tap on continue. You can see appears on screen your password has been changed. Tap on done. You can see sign out. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset Apple ID password from without phone number, without any third party software. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.